Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaelyn, and here we're going to discuss all things beauty and lifestyle. We'll talk about makeup, we'll talk about hair, and a bunch of other random stuff. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash the like button so you can help others just like you. Now let's get started. So today we are going to be talking about the brows because they are grown out to the max. I'm going to be showing you how to groom your eyebrows at home because we're all at home on quarantine, and what's a better way to learn how to groom your own brows? And in the long run, you save yourself some money because you won't have to pay anyone to do it anymore. I think it's a win-win for everybody. So first thing, I'm gonna show you two different methods. And the first method, you'll need some Nair face cream and a simple little eyebrow. What is this? This is like a Wet n Wild, this is a concealer brush. That's what this brush is. And I found this at Dollar Tree for like $1. So I use it to help groom my brows, and I also use it in makeup application as well. The Nair face cream is thorough hair removal, long-lasting visible smoothness, easy, fast, and pain-free, and it also has sweet almond oil in it, and you can use it for your upper lip, your chin, and your face, so you can use this pretty much anywhere. And method number 2 is the good old-fashioned tweezers and razors. Now it depends on my mood. I kind of bounce between both. I actually use both of these methods just depending on how I feel. And these two razors, so this is like a regular manual razor. It's just a regular little razor. And then this pink one is actually a electric razor. So if you listen, it doesn't sound, I leave the cap on so you can hear it. But this it vibrates. So I guess the technology behind this is that it's vibrating so you're able to catch all the hairs, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah. And then for the tweezers, I have two different kinds. These are the tweezers. Very pointy. And aren't these tweezers adorable? Look at them. Aren't they stinking cute? They are so cute. She has natural hair, and it says confident, I think. No, it says inspired. I have some other ones that say confident. Let me find them. Yeah, these. Aren't these tweezers adorable? They're so cute. So now I'm just gonna bring you in closer. You can get all up in this so that we can do these eyebrows. First, what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna do this on the left eyebrow. So you wanna brush all your hairs up. And I kind of brush them over, up and over. So first go in an upward motion and then brush them over, because I don't know if you can see, but I don't want to get cream on those little hairs sticking up, because then I'll go in and fix that later. So you just want to make sure your hair is brushed up and over. And then you can I typically just put it directly on the brush, but to show you, oh, it's strong. This stuff is strong. So to show you, I'm going to take something I don't want to mess up. So we can do this. Let me see. I'll take the back of this. So put some on the box, and then you're just gonna dip it. Get some on the brush. Right? You're gonna just outline your brows as if you were actually putting on makeup. So you're just gonna go around. And to get in like the arch, I kind of turn the brush upwards and go like that. Oh, and one thing too, you want to make sure that your eyebrows are clean. I actually just washed my face, so mine are already cleaned. But if you don't want to completely submerge your face in water or anything, you can just take some like some micellar water. Take some micellar water and a cotton pad and just rub it over your brows, or you can even use alcohol, whatever you have on hand. And I like to go right here too. So I want to get all the hair that does not belong there off. And if you get some, I mean, just take your time doing this, because you don't want to hit spots that you don't want hair removed and then you out here looking crazy. So yeah. If the hair doesn't come off in 5 minutes, leave the cream for a few minutes longer. Do not exceed 10 minutes. So I like to keep mine on for about 8 minutes. So I'm gonna set my timer so that I don't leave it on too long. 8 minutes. All right, so while that is marinating and working and removing the hair, we're gonna go on to the other side. So you wanna do the same thing. You want to brush your brows upwards, kind of over, and then you want to look at where you, and another rule of thumb you can do, I don't really like to do this because I don't like to apply makeup while I'm removing hair, but you can just take an eyebrow pencil. You can just take an eyebrow pencil and like draw your eyebrows on the way you would like them, and then just go in and tweeze off that's not in the lines. Basically, that's a simple way to do it, but I kind of know my eyebrow shape, so I'm gonna go in, and you want to get really close, like I'm really close to my mirror, because you don't want to pluck the wrong hair. You pluck one wrong hair, your eyebrows jagged, just saying. So I go in with the really thin tweezers and I just start tweezing hairs off. And now that we're done with that part, I'm gonna go back in with a spoolie, see what I'm looking like. Not looking too bad, they're actually looking kind of good. So now I'm gonna go in with my razor and just take really small little strokes, because you don't want to accidentally swipe it and then your eyebrow gone. So take really small strokes. And try to get as much hair as off as I can. Now I actually prefer the Nair method because I feel like it really gets it. With the razors, they kind of leave like, what's it, like the stubble a little bit. And then the same thing with the hair here, you just go in. Got to tell y'all to get is a pair of scissors. Like, where are my scissors? Here they are. So like some thin pointy scissors like these. Okay. And I brush the hairs up. Everywhere, brush them straight up. Off those extra hairs that are sticking up. And same here. Now you have a groomed eyebrow. I bet you this one will look better though. Just saying. Oh yeah, you see, it's taking the hair off. So and so now let's take my little pointy tweezers again, these little babies, and go in and just get those hairs that the nair didn't quite get. There we go. She's not looking half bad. Brush it up again, do the same thing with the scissors on this side. Oh yeah, I like this side so much better. I have that nice defined line. Okay. I'm gonna take some of this micellar water, put a little bit on there, just to make sure I got all that excess in there off my skin. You don't want your hair falling out. And that is your brow, honey. She's done. She is done. And she cute. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed me showing you how to upkeep your brows at home, at least until wherever you go opens back up again, because right now everything's closed. So until you can get back to your eyebrow lady, this is something you can do to help maintain your brows. So I hope this helped you. Let me know what else you want to see from me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.